happy too. Hey, Lord, is it not me from
Yeah, I had a chick
All
last
right,
time.
Jess, explain what that is right there.
Delicious.
Oh my god.
It's really not bad.
I'm just going,
It's really not.
I'm just going mano with the mustard.
No. Mustard's a little different.
Not as good.
Not as
You
good.
need the chicken. You need the chicken.
Have it with the chocolate, honey.
Not as good.
Chocolate covered McNuggets.
It's disturbing how good this is.
Mm-hmm.
It's not that bad. It's like a
I think
sweet.
it's even more disturbing that you think it's good.
Everybody likes
Timmy,
it.
No, we got 3
Timmy,
people
you
that
gotta
vouch
We
for
do
it.
got
it.
more.
I'm not
Timmy,
gonna lie.
I'm telling
but-
you.
Jimmy.
Vicky wouldn't lie to you.
Timmy,
No,
put the
I
chocolate
wouldn't.
on there, Tim.
Put the
can't
chocolate
eat it
on.
without
Chocolate on there.
You're gonna barf. You can say that stuff.
You're gonna say, whoa.
It's not that bad.
It's good, right?
Think about it.
Different.
Think about it.
Think about it.
I'm really thinking.
Yeah, they're all sick.
You're telling me that was bad? It wasn't bad. It's not good, but it
You
wasn't
can say
bad.
it's good here.
Good.
Try the mustard.
Oh, I wouldn't do it with
I gotta
mustard.
try the solo now.
Jesse, do it.
Try how bad
I
that
would
is.
not do that with mustard.
See how bad that is. There is nothing good about that at all. There's actually nothing good.
Come on.
There is nothing good about that at all.
So hot? Not hot.
No.
That's good.
Nope, there's
No.
nothing good about that.
I gotta finish it though.
Now? Okay.
That was a lion.
Oh,
No, that's
Jesse.
bad.
Oh.
Not even close to the chicken nugget.
I was honest.